Yo, what's up, guys?
Okay.
It's Lefteye and Glossy. Introduce yourself.
No.
We're gonna be absolutely pooping on each other in Smash Bros.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, Mario is really good. Watch this. I hate this game. Come on, bro. Just take like 4 more steps, bro. Come on. Thank you. Thanks for your stock, bro. That was really nice of you.
Betrayal.
No.
Get out the way, bitch.
Bro, that shouldn't. Wow. Wow. GG. Oh, no. Wow. You're welcome. I gave that one to you. Big monkey versus little boy.
What did he say?
Ooh, monkey.
Shut the fuck up!
No, dude.
Donkey Kong's a pistachio.
I bet his mouth tastes really good.
Why would you say that? What you're doing, that definitely is not going to get in the video.
It absolutely is.
Oh no!
1, 3, 2. I'll fucking do it again.
Thank you. No. Oh my god. Unfair. Your character's so terrible, by the way. I
Do it again.
so bad. Oh my god, I'm actually so angry at you for that one.
This is not okay.
Yes!
Fuck you!
I hate this. If you forward smash me to win this game, I'm literally gonna stop right now. I'm done. That was so stupid. I swear, you're cheating. Martha's for cheaters. Okay, I'm changing my ways. Donkey Kong's not working. If Donkey Kong doesn't work, I don't know who to play though. Yup. This is the one.
Yes!
Okay, Captain Falcon is the Marth Destroyer here. See, look at that. Free. Not even hard. See, look at that. Free. Not even hard. Not even hard. Wow. What? That's poopy. The amount of times you've countered everything I've done. So bad. Hate counter. It's so dumb! Counter after everything. Counter. See? Counter. See? I'm finally catching on. Counter. Oh wait, you can't counter up B. It's a command grab. I'm just gonna use that. Oh, I didn't even DI. I had to itch my ear. Definitely going King K roll. Okay, so go a character that beats King K roll. Got right. Yeah. Yeah.
I hate you.
Yeah.
I knew you weren't actually going King K. That's why I went for canonical, not yeah.
What do you mean? This matchup happened.
You grab the peanuts?
You just gave me your banana.
Don't say that. And this is why nobody likes people who play Joker.
What do you mean? Joker is the coolest character.
But I'm a teacher, and you're my student.
Yes.
Yep. What? Whoa. What is this game, bro? You're doing too many side B. Yeah. Yep. You're doing too many side B.
You are too many side B.
That's foul. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Watch me easily just.
JV4.
Yeah, I'm a JV4 you.
Oh, yeah, okay. No. With all that forward smash, maybe. Look at these combos, bro. This is why you play Chrom, because he's got jab. You know, Marth doesn't have good jab.
Facial recognition got a hit. Jesus Christ, that's
Wrong!
Thanks for your stock, bro. That was a nice charity.
I did not mean to do counter there.
God, Chrom is so cool. Oh! No! Best of 3!
Do it!
Let's
Fine.
go.
Best of 3.
Okay, gentlemen. Okay, cool.
Mama always told me, don't take no losses. If you order 20 nuggets, you get 20 sauces. 1 sauce per nugget. You dip it, then twist it. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down, re-dip it.
True, and yeah, that's pretty true. That's true, and yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's pretty true. That's pretty true. I mean, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
Super Idol でしょ You're a fucking idiot.
No!
Why'd you walk into that?
Because. GG, thank you for the stock, bro. That was really nice of you. You know what? I deserve that completely. Why did the developers of this game pick Ganon and go, why 13% jab, but let's make him absolutely dog shit off the stage? Wow. Wow, that did not just work.
How did that almost work?
Oh my god, bro.
I swear, you're just doing this for the shits and giggles now. What do you have?
Oh my god, I'm insane now. No, please repeat it.
What?
It's worth it. What do you mean?
Bro definitely isn't the best.
Wow, Donkey. I'm convinced Donkey Kong sucks.
That's quite big.
Whoa. No. What? What was that? That would have killed me, actually. Alright, that'll do it. I'm gonna get this video out sometime. I don't even want to say when. Yeah, after the new year. That could be a long time. Alright, peace out, everyone. See ya.